So this is a quick review on my John Deere 485A backhoe attachment for my 24 model year 4052R cab. So I've used this 485A backhoe for maybe 20 hours, and there's a few things that I had wished I'd known before buying it, but I don't think it would have prevented me from buying it. Anyways, long story short, first answer is it ain't no excavator, that's for sure. But that being said, I've owned a 3032E with a 370B backhoe in the past, and this certainly has a lot more power than that does. So it's got power to lift, 300 plus pound rocks without a problem. It sets up fast. I can disconnect it from my 4052R, in just a few minutes now. So I do like it for that, but it certainly will never replace an excavator. I am going to pick up a mechanical thumb for it, because the hydraulic thumb, I don't believe it's worth what John Deere is asking for it. But all right, let me fire this thing up and set the stabilizers down, and let's see if we can do a little bit of digging so you can see what this thing can do. So first off, we'll just pull this pin here in. Drop the stabilizers down. I have it running about 1500 RPMs. That's more than plenty. See, I'm just pulling this little tree out. I can certainly be a lot more smooth on the controls, but they are not as smooth as I expected. And as with most backhoes, its power is usually going to be as far as you can be away. The closer you get, you run out of arc to swing. So if you're going to do something, you want it to be probably at least 7-8 feet away from you. But yeah, overall, I'm actually happy with the purchase. But if I did it again, I would probably buy a used mini excavator.